Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to merge PDF files into one document. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to a PDF merging site like ilovepdf.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the Merge PDF option. Next, click the Select PDF Files button and choose the PDF files you want to combine. You can also drag and drop them into the upload area. After uploading, click the Merge PDF button to combine the files into one document. Once the process is complete, click Download to save the newly merged PDF to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully merged your PDF files into one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.